Israel to send medical equipment to India amid COVID-19 crisis. Israel will be delivering medical equipment including oxygen generators and respirators to India throughout the week amid COVID-19 crisis. We stand with India, particularly during these difficult times India is experiencing, said Foreign Minister of Israel. The equipment will be sent to India through a series of flights starting Tuesday, the minister added. Tech Mahindra turns its Noida center into a 40-bed COVID-19 facility. Tech Mahindra has converted its office cafeteria in Noida's special economic zone into a 40-bed COVID-19 care facility. The facility has basic medical infrastructure to help the patients with mild infections in case they are unable to procure a hospital bed. The Telangana government on 4th May asked private vaccination centers to procure vaccines directly from manufacturers, even for those above 45 years of age. Dr. G. Srinivas Rao, the Director of Public Health, while making the announcement, said private COVID vaccine centers shall be permitted to conduct vaccination for 45 years and above by 100% pre-booking of slots on CoWIN portal. Amid reports of shortage of oxygen in state's hospital for COVID-19 patients, the first oxygen express arrived in Hyderabad. The train, which was loaded with 124.26 metric tons of liquid oxygen, completed its journey of 1334 kilometers from Angol in Odisha to Sanatnagar Railway Goods Complex on Sunday afternoon. Mask up, wash your hands, and sanitize them regularly. If outdoors, maintain social distancing. If possible, stay at home. Together, we can make this happen.